Thank you very much.
I enjoyed my shopping in Rundle Mall.
Yeah, Rundle Mall. Do you like Adelaide?
Yeah, very much. They're nice little city.
Yeah.
And you do not get lost.
That's true.
In
It's
Adelaide.
very easy to get around.
lost easily in Sydney.
Yeah. How long have you had your van here?
Well, we over 13 years.
13 years.
Gary the Smith show, original shop there.
Yeah, I see. So is it mainly tourists that you serve?
Now, yes.
Yeah. Right. So what would be the busiest time of the week? The weekends or?
Of course, yes.
Yeah, I can imagine. Yeah.
But this time of year very quiet because due to Christmas.
Yeah, I can
A lot of
imagine.
people shopping, it's parties, hot weather, they go to swim.
Yeah, that's true. Actually, probably after Christmas Day it'll be pretty busy up here. A lot of people after Christmas Day
Oh, yes.
it'll be pretty busy, yeah. A lot of people on holidays.
Which is people from SA, people from Silver Paradise.
Yeah.
Sydney people go to SA too, you know.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Adelaide's got its good points. Sydney's
It's
got
beautiful, a little city, yes.
Yeah. Sydney has a lot more life to it though.
Have you ever heard of Mr. Hanky?
He's a cartoon character.
Hanky, you mean?
Oh no, I don't want a hanky.
No, Mr. Hanky's
Mr. Hanky.
a cartoon character.
Sounds like Mr. Whippy, sort of a friend. Like,
You could have a Mr. Whippy cone.
yeah, that's fine.
You could have a Mr. Whippy cartoon.
Yeah,
ice
Mr. Whippy cartoon.
No, Mr. Hanky
Have
ice
Mr.
cream.
Hanky.
Turn it off before there's some funny looking in there now.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. And here you can see